How's it going there, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to go back in my back office to the pwoer lead system, and I want to show you that you can get leads with this system. And I've been getting many leads and sales with this system for a while now, and I want to show y'all that this is possible. This is no scam. This is real. It's much real traffic. And if you bring a lot of traffic to your page, you will pretty much be able to see these type of results. So I'm going to go in here in the back office. Now, this is my tracking. Pwoer lead system has a tracking system where you could be able to track your capture pages that you use to promote whatever product or opportunity you have. As you can see right here, today is the January 7th. I had 115 new unique visitors. Unique visitors. You can see how many visitors had came in over the course of the month as I scroll down. And these are potential leads that viewed my opportunity. So that is one of the main sources of strategy to use, is to get your opportunity out there to as many as people as possible. That way you can see results. The main thing is getting traffic. Traffic is the key. So scroll it down. I'm going to show you what all you can do. So you got an ad tracker right here. And these showing you like how many hits that you have daily. You can see the numbers which each and these are domains. These are your subdomains, and you get these at a pwoer lead system back office. You get them once you set up your website, and you can make as many domains as possible that you want. And you got subdomains. These are a lot of subdomains that I made with a lot of opportunities. I also use a lot of clickbait too. I have clickbait opportunities that I use too with the pwoer lead system. And the pwoer lead system is an all-in-one marketing tool that you can use to promote any business, any opportunity that you have that you would like to be able to brand. And that's what the pwoer lead system allows you to do, to be able to brand yourself, to be able to stand out from the crowd. So that's something that very helped me, that was very helpful. And one of the main things I like about it, it has its own done for you autoresponder. And I'm going to show you right here what I'm talking about. So if I want to, I can send a broadcast email to my whole list. And you can see right here, these are all my emails that I use. All I got to do is click an email, and I can select from all the people that came through my funnel. I can select that, as you can see right there. Then I could choose the date and time that I want to send. So you could choose whatever website that you have that's already in your back office. You could choose that so they can see that. And you click that. And then you just hit to all the people that's in your email list. And if you keep being consistent with this, your email list is going to grow over time. And maybe some of the people that you get, they may not buy on the first they may not buy on the first view that they see, but as time go on, they see your opportunity on, and then they probably buy later on down the line. So that's something you can really take heed to. That's something that can really help and benefit you. So the system does work. This is not a scam. Like I said before, I have made commissions with this. The compensation plan is great. The pay is great. They made some changes now that you could get paid the same day instead of waiting a week to get paid. So this is why I use pwoer lead system to market any of my businesses. So if you're looking for a marketing tool that gives you unlimited capture pages, autoresponder is done for you, this is the proper system to get into. And the link in the description will be below. Make sure you hit that, like and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for any upcoming videos that I have for you guys. I'm very social. on social media. If you have any questions or concerns, hit me up on social media. That link will also be in the description below. So, Power Lead System helped me out tremendously. It really helped me out. I haven't turned back ever since I joined this system. I used to be in a lot of other affiliates systems, but like I said, this is very, very cost efficient. If you want to be able to be affiliate, it'd be $53 a month, and you will have the whole system, and you can always upgrade to different product packages. All right, so that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro, and I see you guys in the next video.